I'm doing exactly what I want to do with my life.
Janice Lennard, age 81, reveals the secret to her youthful look. Janice is a phenomenal woman with a sound and sharp mind who knew what she wanted to do early on in life. She was between 8 or 9 years when she was enrolled in dance school. She did tap, ballet, and acrobatics. She blossomed under the guidance of good mentors, professional dancers like Alex Goodenough and Sid Charisse. Janice has been involved with ballet, yoga, and Pilates through study, practice, and instruction for over 65 years. Her early involvement in artistic expression through dance gave her the ability to project an aura of positioning perfection, fulfillment of purpose, and blissful fun for the observer of her beautifully synchronized motion. In today's video, we will cover her diet, how her experience in dance, yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi complemented her everyday movement to this day, and finally, her mindset and philosophy of a healthy lifestyle.
You can always get better, always, no matter how old you are. And I intend to keep doing it.
Janice Lennard was born in New Orleans, Louisiana in October 1942. Although she grew up in a rough area, she found endless happiness through dancing. She took ballet, tap, and jazz dance classes by age 7. Dance became a significant part of her life. Everyone witnessed a star in the making as she grew older. By age 20, she moved to Los Angeles to make a name for herself and did just that. Janice Lennard is known worldwide for impacting yoga, Pilates, and dance. Currently, she teaches ballet bar and all her other expertise, including Tai Chi, and found her passion in helping others achieve graceful aging and movement. Eventually, she went above and beyond, hiring a professional camera crew to help her record a DVD set of workouts for those who want to get in shape virtually. Janice Lennard has a remarkable work ethic, even now at her age. Eventually, she needed a total hip replacement after years of wear and tear. Many thought she could not do what she did best anymore, but she returned to inspiring and helping others 3 weeks after the surgery. Wow, she does set the standard for the superwomen out there. She portrays a fantastic example for all her students that she teaches, that age is nothing but a number, even at 79 years old. Regarding fueling the body, Janice Lennard is exceptionally different from most people we cover on this channel because she does not follow any strict diet or regimen. She is the opposite. She preaches the philosophy about healthy foods and how it is essential to nurture your body, but she also says there is a time for potato chips, just as there is a time for movement. So for Janice, it's all about balance, not only on the ballet bar or the yoga blocks, but also on the food we eat. So what does she eat in a day? She does not specify much about what she eats, but after some deep searching, this is a pretty accurate idea of how Janice Lennard would eat. Janice said in an interview that she eats everything, but what exactly is everything? Stick around and find out. She starts with her breakfast every morning, as this is the day's most important meal. Assuming her history with arthritis after her hip replacement, it is safe to say that she depends heavily on anti-inflammatory foods so she can stay moving throughout the day. Her breakfast will include different types of fruit, whole grains, and leafy greens. These are often balanced in the form of delicious smoothies or eaten separately. This is a great way for her joints and her internal organs that process foods. That way, she can satiate her appetite while not feeling too heavy throughout the day. Janice Lennard also preaches the importance of maintaining muscle mass at a young age, flaunting her ripped arms. So for lunch and dinner, these would also be the best times in the day to eat foods rich in protein, alongside foods that will help her recover after a full day of teaching her classes and moving. Her meals can include lean meats, fish to provide omega-3 fatty acids, and greens as her base. This way, she can fuel her body to maintain a high activity level and recover properly. As mentioned earlier, Janice Lennard believes in balance in all things, so after every workday, she would go home to her husband and watch TV to relax while snacking on some of her favorite delicacies. Talk about a rewarding meal. Fitness is what Janice Lennard prioritizes the most of anything. She says that movement is the key to everything. Most people past 65 resign from any daily movement, and it begins the downward spiral of their health. Janice Lennard practices 4 fitness modalities, which are as follows: yoga, Pilates, Tai Chi, and dance. She picked up yoga because it complements dance, which is being able to move fluently and flow. And yoga has its benefits. Yoga increases flexibility and is an excellent tool for controlling your body weight, focusing more on muscle tone. Janice Lennard also states that yoga is excellent for keeping the mind young and at peace. She firmly believes that everything starts with the mind and includes aging. You would be surprised at what you can do, even at an older age, she says. The benefits of dancing come with a lot of groove and versatility. Not only does this activity keep the mind happy, but it also keeps the body spectacularly fit. These include improved conditions of the heart and lungs, motor skills, and better coordination and agility. Combining this with yoga during her training sessions or classes shows her uniqueness. Her movement style portrays how dance and yoga are the yins to their yang. Next up is Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a tool used to improve the quality of overall life. It's comparable to that brisk walking and is shown to reduce the rate of depression, improve sleep quality, and assist in balance. And finally, Pilates. This training technique improves strength mobility. When Janice Lennard partakes in this activity, all the surrounding muscles are used to perform different types of movements. Pilates is an activity that focuses more on the core muscles, which play a massive role in performance down the road. So, what would Janice Lennard's full day of fitness look like? The first thing she does is go to her classes to teach. She hosts up to 4 sessions a day, and while she leads her group, she is also working alongside them to demonstrate each movement pattern and ensure she is getting her dose of activity as well. After her classes, Janice Lennard would have her workout sessions, but for this one, she will listen to her body. One day she will do Pilates, and the next, she will do some yoga or dance in the comfort of her own home to some relaxing music. All of her desired activities come with the same benefits, so she makes sure she listens to her body and moves accordingly. Her workouts are done 7 times a week. Now, how can we remain eternally fit like the yoga master Janice Lennard? According to her, the first step is always discipline. We always want to ensure we take care of our bodies with how active we are and live our lives at our best, maximizing our potential. Write things down that will make you 1% better. Take action and complete what you are destined for. Yoga is more than just stretching your joints. It's all about breathing, being relaxed, and keeping your spirituality youthful. As she believes yoga and spiritualism are connected, you can relax your mind and peacefully accept the moment you are in. She says that stopping what you are doing and taking a 5-minute break of concentrated breathing makes everything better. And finally, move, move, move. Janice Lennard claims that movement is fundamentally vital to keeping the body healthy. She says when she gets too old to drive, she wants to be able to see someone and say, "I used to do that back then." And luckily for our golden girl, she has plenty of years to enjoy moving. These tips will help you stay in shape, healthy, and youthful for years, like Janice Lennard. With the proper care for your health, body, and mind, you too can remain young, strong, and functional to age gracefully. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly uploads where we show you how to live a long, healthy life full of abundance and movement with tips and steps to feeling and looking your best beyond 50.